Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to look at another set of ND filters for the new DJI Mavic 3 Classic and decide whether or not you need them. These filters have been sent to me by another brand. I've done one on Freewell already. I've played around with these in the past and they're called SKYREAT. Full disclosure though, they have sent them to me for free, but I'm free to say, as always, the good, bad and the ugly. In fact, they won't even see this video until you do. But first of all, let's set off with today's little joke. So where did Mr. and Mrs. Snowman have their first date? At a snowball, of course. Anyway. If you want to find out more about ND filters and what they really do, there's a few videos on this channel and there'll be a link up here. At the end of the day, what they basically do is help you get that more cinematic, realistic footage with motion blur and things like that in bright daylight. And in a minute, you'll be able to see that in the footage because I'll run them with no filters on there and with the filters on in both D-Log and also in the normal mode as well. But we'll see that in a minute and we'll have them running side by side as well, plus a few colour tests at the end of the video. So, as you can see here, they come in this nice little box. It's got magnets on there, just like the other ones. And what you get in this one is a UV filter, a circular polarizer. You also get an ND4, an ND8, an ND16, and an ND32. And we'll see how easy they are to fit in a second. Also, I've got some other filters out there, as I said earlier on, Freewell and Polar Pro. So if you're interested in those or want to see the videos to check them out, and make sure you hit the old subscribe so you don't miss out. Plus, when it's made, I'll put a link up here so you can go and check the video out as well. And also, do a comparison video if you're interested. Let me know in the comments down below. So, let's check out the footage. First of all, we're going to run it with no filters on there. Then we'll run it with the filters on, both in normal mode and D-Log. So there you go. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. The colour tests and the photos will be at the end of the video, so you can compare in more detail. Plus, if you want the images sent to you, I send them to you in raw images and things like that, so you can test them out yourself. Just let me know in the comments down below. But don't claim the footage is yours. So these don't come with the polarizers like you do with the Freewell ones, but that does mean that the set of filters themselves will be that much cheaper. Plus, if you're interested in just the circular polarizers for photos, then there isn't a problem because that comes in the set as well. You won't be disappointed with them. There'll be a link down below if you're interested, so hit on that one and then you'll be able to get a decent set of SKYREAT filters because they've got some discounts on there at the moment. And as always, if you've got any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments down below and I will always get back to you. Stay safe out there, keep smiling, have fun making stuff. See ya.